Hello everyone, this is Ari from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set a caller tone to a contact. For this, you need to unlock the phone. You have to hit apps. At apps, you have to hit music player. At music player, you have to put that song you want to set as a caller tone. For example, I have so many songs here. I want to put this song as a caller tone. Hit this one for play. While it's playing, pause this one, or you can do without pausing. Hit settings, and as you see here is one option is called set as. Hit this one. When you hit this one, you will see three options: this phone ringtone, caller ringtone, and alarm tone. This one, hit caller ringtone. After, hit that particular contact you want to set this song. For example, I am gonna set this to Alex. I hit this to Alex. That means caller ringtone is saved. I hit home and menu button. After that, I hit phone, contacts, as you see, and here is Alex. I hit this one, and as you see, how can I keep the song of Enya set as a caller tone of this contact? Okay, this is how you can do that. Okay, this is all, my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Communication, www.iriscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.